These are ladder straps, reinforced orange with silver reflective, a 4-pack. They come nicely packaged, so this way you could wrap up a ladder so it doesn't move and transport. We're also going to show you some of the things that you can use them for. This is your strap. It measures 33 inches by 2 inches with the Velcro 5 inches. It has orange and silver reflective and hinges. You simply take the Velcro strap, you lock them together like so. The strap has reinforced stitching for extra strength. It can be wrapped around your ladder. And then reinforced close. Take the strap, wrap around a couple of times, bring through, and secure down. With the light shine, reflective tape can be seen. Transporting a bicycle, locking the wheels. Securing your ladder to a beam. Closing up heavy items in a container. To securing items on the top shelf. The reinforced straps are strong enough to hold your weight. Enjoy your straps. These are what you are looking for.